Maths is an integral part of our lives. Truly justified when it comes to architecture, the golden ratio plays an important role.
The golden ratio, that is 1 is to 1.618, is unique because it's an irregular number, which means it does not conform to the properties associated with typical numbers called rational numbers. This makes the golden ratio number a perfect number and correlates to the perfection of all creation.
But the fascination with the golden ratio is not confined just to mathematicians. Biologists, artists, musicians, historians, architects, psychologists, and even mystics have pondered and debated the basis of its appeal.
At least since the 20th century, many architects have proportioned their works to approximate the golden ratio, especially in the form of golden rectangle, in which the ratio of the longer side to the shorter side is the golden ratio.
The master builders of the past understood the value and significance of the golden ratio and applied it to create many wonders of the world.
The Great Pyramid of Giza is the oldest of the 7 wonders of the ancient world and the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. The pyramid was built as a tomb for the 4th dynasty Egyptians over an approximately 20-year period.
The pyramid is composed of golden triangles. When the square base of the pyramid is halved and a vertical line drawn up to the center, the slanted height forms a triangle that measures to the value of 5. The vertical height equals to the square root of 5.
The Parthenon is a temple dedicated to a Greek goddess. Its construction began in 447 BC when the Athenian Empire was at the height of its power and was completed in 438 BC. The Greek Parthenon is a true example of endless golden rectangles that create many golden ratios. This math is recreated by dissecting the exterior dimension into many divine proportions.
This gauge always retains the ratio of 1 to 1.618. No matter how narrow or wide the gauge is spread. Now let us look at it with the Parthenon. The width of the building, the full length versus the height can also be broken down. The lower element to the left element and even further. The height of trees as part of the left element. This shows the Parthenon was completely designed on golden ratio.
Another wonder of the world, the Taj Mahal, built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, is widely recognized as the jewel of Muslim art in India and one of the most admired masterpieces of the world's heritage. Taj Mahal is the finest example of Mughal architecture, the style that combines elements from Persian, Turkish and Indian architectural styles. Comprehensive analysis of orthogonal geometric constructions of Taj Mahal showed throughout presence of golden section and gold containing figures. Main entrance door frame rectangle is accurately golden rectangle. Geometry of the arc inside it is also built after golden regularities. It was shown that the ideal of the Taj is rationally and intently based on the golden section figures.